Veena from Patter Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. Here's where you'll find quick and tasty recipes for new cooks and those with less time to spend in the kitchen. Okay then, let's get cracking with today's recipe. Welcome back. Today we are making two kinds of namak pare or salty shankarpari. One kind will be thin and crisp, the second will be slightly thick and crunchy. But we'll make both kinds from just one basic dough. And it will be a healthier one, made by using a mix of maida and whole wheat flour. As it happens every Diwali, once you've had your fill of sugary sweets, you'll wish you had something tasty but savory to munch on. Believe me, when that happens, these crisp namak pare with wheat flour and maida will satisfy that need perfectly. At the end of this video, I have an interesting announcement for you, so keep watching. But now, let's see how to make today's namak pare right here at Patter Cake. You could modify this recipe and make it entirely with maida if you want. In that case, the namak pare will have a lighter brown color. Now let's cool the namak pare to room temperature. After that, they can be stored in an airtight container for around 2 to 3 weeks. Let me show you the texture of both the varieties of namak pare. They are crisp and crunchy, and believe me, very tasty. Do make these namak pare for your family and friends this festive season. In my next festival video, I'll show you how I make delicious Rava Besan laddus. So be sure to check it out. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and do stop by again for yet another quick and tasty recipe. Till then, take care, happy cooking!